Our subject is AR106P or Architectural Design 7. It covers community architecture and urban design. If you pass this subject, this means you may have to petition Design 8 this coming summer in order to qualify and catch up with thesis or Design 9. Now, let's look at the timeline between Design 7 and thesis. For all of you in this class, you only have approximately 5 months from today to be able to qualify for thesis or Design 9. The next 20 weeks or 5 months is crucial. This means 12 weeks of 19 and a half hours a week inside the classroom during this term, a 2-week break, and then a 6-week Design 8 where you will again spend 39 hours a week inside the classroom. You will still be able to have 2 weeks of break before starting thesis. For your classmates and friends who have finished Design 8, they have the same amount of time between now and Design 9. They have 5 months to prepare themselves for thesis, and they are free from any design stress between now and August. I have a few tips that I know, and I will discuss each one very briefly. First, review your daily routine and write them down, and you will find out that there are things that you can give up in order to help get you prepared. You should allow more space in your personal time for more productive things. Next, check your resources like computer or a laptop, library books, internet connectivity, also finances, among others. Research writing techniques. Compile and study these carefully. Reinvent yourself. Practice and study oral presentation. You may need someone else to critique you on this. On the course expectations, application of research writing techniques. Some of you may have finished research writing methods. Make a compilation and make an outline on the proper methods and techniques in writing. Ethical decision making in presentation. A pattern should be established to demonstrate your ability to organize your study. There's a lot more to this item, and I leave them to you to find out and put together your project components. A good start will be to research on social conventions in presentations. Oral presentation. The ability to speak in a clear and concise manner. If you cannot be understood, you are likely to attract more questions. Technical design presentation. Mastery of the project is required here. Make sure you are actively involved in all the aspects of your design, along with the technical items required to make the project feasible. These are the house rules, and they are simple. The first will be strict attendance. Always come early, possibly earlier than me. Attendance, whether consistent or inconsistent, demonstrates the quality of your interest on the subject. Active participation in discussions. There will be subject matters that will be discussed in this class regarding your plates and projects. I expect everyone to get involved. The third one is very self-explanatory. Again, we will apply peer evaluation in every group work. Course coverage for Design 7 will be the following: redevelopment of an existing blighted urban community. This will be schematics. It's preparing a scheme design of redevelopment of an existing blighted urban community, applying the principles of community architecture and urban design. Design of a socialized urban community. Design a socialized urban community with consideration to spatial planning and analysis, and this will be a major plate. Schematic design for a new urban community. A scheme design for a new urban community, and this will be a skis. A major plate entitled Design and Urban Redevelopment will contain waterfront development, mixed-use planned unit development, and historical district development. That wraps up my presentation. Hope to see you all soon. Ciao!